Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Obby Creator with the place open. Immediately save a copy so you can revert. Next, open the environment or lighting panel because that's where sky settings live. Once there, scan for skybox, sky, or atmosphere assets. You'll either swap an existing skybox or assign a new texture ID. Make sure to keep a note of the texture ID you use so you can reuse it across other maps or reset if needed. You now pick between a built-in skybox or a custom texture ID. A custom ID gives a unique horizon, so paste it into the skybox/texture slot. Then tweak rotation and brightness to match the level's lighting. Small adjustments change player visibility and contrast. Once adjusted, toggle atmosphere settings like density or sun direction for realism. Make sure to preview in play mode and walk the map, because sky changes affect perceived depth, contrast, and object silhouettes. You're finishing up. Save the place and publish a test build so others see the change. If the new sky doesn't appear, check that the texture ID is correct, the asset is public, and that your lighting service is enabled. Common issues are typoed ID or private assets. Also clear local cache or restart the editor if changes lag. Finally, test on different devices because mobile versus desktop rendering can vary. Adjust brightness or contrast to ensure consistent appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.